Mount Everest, how did I feel? How did I feel? ये समझने के लिए you will have to understand how this whole story evolved, how obsessed I was with the idea of climbing Mount Everest. It was way back in 2010 when I was 15 years of age. 15 साल का था मैं तभी. महाराष्ट्र में कलसुबाई पीक है, वहां पे ट्रैक करने गया मैं. एंड उस पहाड़ी
Was
के
that
चोटी
your
से.
first trek?
Yes,
वो
it was.
तुम्हारा
Yes.
पहला?
Yes, yes, it was my first ever trek I ever did in my life. I didn't even know what trekking was uske pehle, so it was a very new experience for me.
Hello everyone. Welcome to another podcast of Mitti Ke Rang. We are joined here today by Mr. Parth Upadhyay. Parth is the youngest person from Mumbai to climb Mount Everest. He started trekking at the age of 9. Parth chose to pursue his passion in outdoors and mountain trekking. He is currently working as a trek leader. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Yes. He is currently working as a trek leader at Dark Green Adventures and has led over 800 plus treks in the Sahyadri mountain ranges, Himalayas, South India, and the desert tracks in Rajasthan. Welcome, Parth.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. How are you? Can you hear
Good,
me?
good. How are you? How's everything? Yes, your voice is really clear.
Amazing. Same here.
So, what's up? How's the COVID treating you?
Oh, well, for me, someone who climbs mountains, being stuck at home was not really a easy thing. But, on the other hand, when you think that your problems are very less compared to what people are actually facing out there. So when you think about this, you are like, okay, तेरा problems तो बहुत छोटा है, तू बस पहाड़ नहीं चढ़ पा रहा है ना, घर पे है, safe है, बैठे रहे घर पे, कोई बात नहीं. But yes, after 6 months of staying home, just last week I started going on treks in the Sayadri Hills in the Maharashtra. And in fact, right now, as I'm speaking to you, just 5 minutes ago, I got back from a trek to Matheran, and you can see I'm all oily and sweaty. But yeah, this is how I like to be, all rugged and raw, just as I am. So yeah, lockdown
That's
was
so.
good.
Yeah. So, how did you enjoy the trek? How was
Trek
it?
was amazing. Yeah, trek was amazing. We went to Mathiran via a route called Garbet Point. It's a amazing trek, and coincidentally, it happens to be the trek where I used to go for my Everest ka training. So it's like I have a lot of beautiful memories with that place. So it was always nice to go back and relive those memories of me training for Everest up there 2 years ago. It was amazing.
Right, we'll come back to the Everest, but I want
जी
to
जी
ask you, since you just went to the trek,
जी.
was there something unusual? What is the new norm of trekking?
No, there's no new norm as such. Like there should be, but from our end, all we can do is take some proper precautions. So I go with only friends who I know for sure are careful about how they manage themselves outside in terms of precautions from COVID. So I went with them, and obviously you keep your mask on, you always sanitize whenever you touch somewhere, and you keep away from village people, because not because they might have it, because they don't. There is hardly any COVID in the rural India, but you on the other end, coming from Mumbai, you might be a carrier from them, of for them. So we try to stay away from them for their safety. And Baki, when you are hiking up in the mountains, there are no people, so no social distancing required. But whenever you are traveling or in the village where the trek starts, you try to, follow a certain things, and obviously not eat outside, carry food made from home. जिस गांव में हम गए थे आज, वहाँ का वड़ा पाव बहुत ही फेमस है. And I was dying to eat it, but I chose not to, because it's the right thing to do right now, and to keep us safe. So ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं which we used to follow.
At least you're getting to trek, I should
Oh
say.
yes, no vada pav doesn't matter. But yes, finally after 6 months of being stuck at home, seeing the monsoons pass by, because the monsoons in the Sayadris is like beautiful. And I thought कि ये monsoon में शायद मैं trek कर पाऊँ ना कर पाऊँ, I don't know. But at the end of monsoon, I'm at least able to go and experience whatever is left of waterfalls and rivers and everything. So yeah, I'm like no complaints. Obviously, yaar. Human beings can find complaints even ha- even if they have their entire life going on for them in the right direction. फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ एक चीज वो पकड़ लेंगे कि नहीं ये सही नहीं हो रहा है. So that's not the way to look at things. But yes, I'm always grateful for this, you know, me being able to go in the mountains and trek. It's such a privilege.
Right. And since we were talking about Himalayas, I'm coming to that question now.
Ji, ji, ji.
Like, tell us about your Himalayan experience. कैसा था वो feeling? How did you feel?
You mean Mount Everest?
Yes.
Mount Everest, how did I feel? How did I feel? ये समझने के लिए you will have to understand how this whole story evolved, how obsessed I was with the idea of climbing Mount Everest. It was way back in 2010 when I was 15 years of age. 15 साल का था मैं तभी. महाराष्ट्र में कलसुबाई पीक है, वहां पे ट्रैक करने गया मैं. एंड उस पहाड़ी
Was
के
that
चोटी
your
से.
first trek?
Yes,
Was
it was.
तुम्हारा
Yes,
पहला?
yes, it was my first ever trek I ever did in my life. I didn't even know what trekking was uske pehle. So it was a very new experience for me. But I saw the sun rising from the summit of Mount Kalsubai. And I just thought to myself, as a stupid 15-year-old, that if the sunrise from this small hill is so beautiful, how would the sunrise look from the highest point in the world? And that's when I promised myself कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, इस लाइफ में मुझे एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करना है और वो सनराइज देखना है. Like anything for that damn sunrise. And yes, it took me 9 years of preparation of doing basic and advanced mountaineering courses, of climbing a lot of significantly high mountains in the states of Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet. I climbed a lot of peaks to gain experience, to gain fitness, to gain understanding about what mountaineering is all about. And ये जितनी आसानी से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, the journey was not so simple, obviously. 9 years, I was just obsessed with this mountain called Everest. इसी के साथ साथ मेरा engineering वगैरह भी चल रहा था. So you know how that is. Like,
Yeah.
like everybody listening to us, you know how our education system unfortunately is, जिसमें you don't get even a minute off for yourself. And उसके बीच में ये पहाड़ climb करना, manage करना was a big task for me. But I made it happen because I wanted to. There are no excuses. And yeah, after years and years of preparation, I went to Everest. I raised the money, which I will come to. Like, if people would like to know how is it to raise the funds for Mount Everest, it costs around 35 to 40 lakh rupees to go to an
Oh,
expedition to Everest. Yes, so that was
okay.
an
I
so
thought
wo
the
ek,
training was important, but okay, you need the
yeah,
cash as well.
yes, the training obviously is important. But no matter how fit or how ready you are, अगर पैसा नहीं है तो भाई तुम मतलब fit होके घर पे बैठे रह सकते हो फिर. so, so and personally raising funds was a bigger Everest for me. It was much more tougher for me because I had so पहाड़ चढ़ना इसके बारे में मुझे बरसों से पता है, सीख रहा हूँ. बट पैसा कैसे रेस करते हैं ये मुझे किसी ने सिखाया नहीं. ना ही मेरे फैमिली में कोई ऐसा है जिनको कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड का नॉलेज हो इतना कि वो मुझे गाइड कर पाए. तो मैं बस अपने तरह से गलतियां कर रहा था, कोशिश कर रहा था रादर. एंड दोस कोशिश वर नॉट इन द राइट डायरेक्शन एंड आई वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, a lot of opportunities in terms of raising funds. I spoke to around 152 companies personally, face to face jackets in a span of 2 years. And like why this story matters to me, the fundraising wala, because I used to stay in Karjat, जहाँ पे आज मैं ट्रैक पे गया था. In that village I used to stay for my training. For 2 years I stayed there for my training in the mountains. So from there I used to come to the city, 2 hours of local train ride one way. And this was after my morning training routine. घर पे आके खाना बनाओ, फिर फंड रेजिंग की मीटिंग पे जाओ, एंड वहां पे जाके उल्टी सीधी बातें सुनने मिलती थी आपको फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड और फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट और फ्रॉम पॉलिटिशियंस और फ्रॉम लाइक एनी वन हु आई अप्रोच्ड, दे वर लाइक, कुछ लोग तो अतिशाने होते हैं ना जो, वो तो मुझे वहां तक कहते हैं ना कि अरे तुम 25-30 लाख रुपया इसमें डालोगे, why don't you invest this money and गाड़ी खरीदो, घर खरीदो, ये करो वो करो। मैंने बोला मतलब तुमको नहीं देना पैसा तो ना बोलो ना, तुम मुझे ज्ञान क्यों दे रहे हो इधर, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग दिस मनी, आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग दिस ऑन माई सेल्फ, इट इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज मी क्लाइंबिंग एवरेस्ट वुड नॉट जस्ट बी लिमिटेड टू मी। अगर मैं एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब कर लूं तो दिस पॉजिटिविटी दैट आई एम एबल टू स्प्रेड through the you know podcasts like you and through the various sessions I do, it is not about me. And yeah, so government corporate world कहीं से कोई support नहीं मिला मुझे, but through crowdfunding, मतलब लोगों से contributions इकट्ठा करते करते I was able to raise around 50% of the amount. Like these were people who believed in me, my friends, my relatives, my well-wishers, my cousins and cousins के friends, everybody came in और उनकी तरफ से जो भी हो सकता था वो दिया उन्होंने। Somebody gave me 500 rupees, whereas somebody gave me 5 lakh rupees, उनके हिसाब से जो हो सकता था वो। And ऐसे करके I was able to raise 50% of the amount, and it's not just about the amount, it is about their blessings that comes with that money कि ले ये मेरी तरफ से 500 रुपए है, बट इसके साथ मैं तुझे इनफाइनाइट आशीर्वाद दे रहा हूँ, इनफाइनाइट ब्लेसिंग दे रहा हूँ, सो दैट
Exactly,
मैटर्स
yeah.
मच मोर टू मी। पैसा इज जस्ट एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू गेट यू देयर, बट द ब्लेसिंग्स विल स्टे विथ यू फॉर एवर। एंड या इसके साथ साथ आई वाज आल्सो अर्निंग, और पापा की सेविंग से थोड़ा पैसा ऐड किया एंड थोड़ा लोन लिया। थोड़ा नहीं था, अराउंड 7-8 लाख रुपीज का लोन था जो जो अभी रीपे कर रहा
थोड़ा
हूँ मैं थोड़ा। हाँ, so, unfortunately, after Everest, nothing happened financially big. So, कहीं से कोई वापस support वापस नहीं मिला. So, manage कर रहा हूँ loan repay वगैरह. But yeah, this is how everything came together. And then I left for the expedition to Everest. And क्या ही बताओ, it was such a beautiful, beautiful experience because 9 years of dreaming, years and years of hard work of in order to get there, immense amount of sacrifices in terms of relations with your family, with your friends, with your girlfriends। ये चीजें मुझे ऑनलाइन नहीं बोलनी चाहिए ना नहीं, but
it's
ठीक है।
okay. I hope they're not watching.
No, no, they are not watching, they have blocked me। No, no, I'm just kidding। No, no, but immense amount of sacrifices I had to do, and no regrets because I had a clear goal in my mind, and I was finally going on the expedition which I waited for since 9 years. And yes, when I saw Everest for the first time, it was 15th April 1995. Oh, sorry, 15th April.
1985.
Sorry,
Wow, what's your age?
15th. No,
You
no,
look
15th।
very young.
No। 15th April 1995 में born हुआ था। 15th April 2019 में मैंने एवरेस्ट देखा। वो मेरा बर्थडे का लिंक कनेक्ट हो गया। आई एम टायर्ड, आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम द ट्रैक, ओके, यू कैन फॉरगिव मी।
It's okay.
No, so जब मैंने एवरेस्ट को फर्स्ट टाइम देखा, it was on my birthday, 15th April, and I could have not asked for a better birthday gift, seeing a mountain which has kept me awake since the last 9 years right in front of me, and there could not have been a better birthday gift and a better start to the expedition. And yes, we reached the base camp, and फिर धीरे धीरे climbing शुरू होती है। Everything in the you know journey went quite smoothly, you can say। थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे तो होता ही है in terms of health, in terms of bad weather। अगर इसमें डीप में जाना है तो जाएंगे, लेकिन
No, I was
अभी
coming to that.
जी जी, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।
Is there a specific month or a season
यस,
that you guys go? Because you said April, so I'm just
absolutely,
wondering.
absolutely, absolutely। So Everest or any other 8,000-meter high mountain can be climbed either pre-monsoon or post-monsoon। The best weather you get pre-monsoon, जो कि मार्च अप्रैल मई का टाइम होता है। So that's when we decided to go to Everest, because that's the best time. And इसमें क्या होता है, the main problem on Everest in terms of weather is the jet stream winds. जो so above a certain altitude on the mountain, एक wind का band flow होता है जिसको jet stream कहते हैं, and it flows at around 250 to 300 kilometers per hour की speed से. So it's like इंसान अगर उसमें आया हवा में तो पत्ते की तरफ फेंक देगा उसको. तो
Oh.
सो जस्ट प्री मानसून ये विंड थोड़ी ऊपर जाती है, पहाड़ से ऊपर उठती है, तो दैट्स व्हेन वी ट्राई टू गो अप. तभी हम उठते हैं पहाड़ों पे. तो दैट्स आवर वेदर विंडो, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट वी वेट फॉर द जेट स्ट्रीम विंड्स टू गो अप. या.
And you have had 800 plus trekking trips. Was there a trip that you really enjoyed? What was your most memorable climbing trip?
I like, it's a very unfair answer for me to give कि एक
Aside from
ट्रैक.
Everest, I should say that
No,
because
ऐसा
you will
नहीं.
say Everest.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. Like I always say that I genuinely cannot compare two treks or two trips because ऐसा थोड़ी है कि like there are no parameters to compare. Each trek is a beautiful experience by itself. And honest to God, ये मैं ऐसे ही philosophical बातें नहीं कर रहा हूँ. But as long as I'm in the mountains, I'm just as happy. Be it Everest or be it माथेरान जहाँ पे आज गया था. I'm just as happy, just as blissed out, and I feel such a privilege to be in the mountains. I don't want anything else. Just so but yes, I like the mountains of Ladakh especially. There is some energy there that I connect with on a spiritual level. So I really enjoy trekking, climbing in Ladakh. Himachal is beautiful. Uttarakhand has a mystical dimension altogether by itself. So trekking there, climbing there is another experience. You get to meet a lot of yogis and a lot of sadhu and saints, and उनके साथ रह के बात करना. मतलब लोग इन चीजों को यंग लोग बहुत ही ऐसे समझते हैं कि साधु
हल्के
मतलब
में लेते हैं,
एकदम
हाँ.
हल्के में लेते हैं. उनको पता नहीं है कि वो जिस रास्ते पे है, अगर उस रास्ते की आपको झलक भी मिल गई तो तुम्हारा जिंदगी ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएगी. एंड आई स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ डेज एंड नाइट्स विद देम इन देयर केव्स, just sitting in silence with them in their presence, in their energy space. And तो वो उत्तराखंड का एक अलग पूरा डायमेंशन है. So each place.
Because we just see, yeah, we just see them in Kumbh Mela, like that is the time when they all come, and then we won't see them in their
Yes,
actual solitude, and
yes,
that
yes,
is what you
yes,
get to experience.
absolutely. And you can only see them in solitude when you go high up in the mountains. Days and weeks of trekking करने के बाद कहीं पे छोटी सी गुफा में, like literally ये हम जो movies और books में सोचते हैं ना, वैसे ही रहते हैं वहां पे कुछ yogis, कुछ spiritual masters. And like they are मतलब, you can feel them. If you are receptive to a certain kind of energy, you can sense them from far away कि हाँ, like there is someone or something here which is you know vibrating on a very
That
high energy
energy,
level.
giving out that energy,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah. So Uttarakhand was special in that aspect. Every place, yeah, I cannot compare.
लद्दाख से चालू होके उत्तराखंड में पहुंच गया. I wanted to ask you about Ladakh because the climate
Please.
is so unpredictable over
Yes.
there, and to
Yes.
climb and to have a climbing trek over there, it's I don't know, like it might have taken a toll on your body as a whole, I guess.
So, since the last 3-4 years, from the month of May to October, I stay in Ladakh. I have a small rented house there, which I get when I go there. And I go there, I do my work from there, I train there. वहाँ पे training बहुत अच्छी होती है when you are at high altitude, when you're staying there. If you acclimatize well to that altitude, अगर आप अच्छे से used to हो जाओ उस environment से, तो it won't take toll on you. If you eat right, if you drink enough water and enough fluids, and if you live a active lifestyle up there, it is like it will do wonders to you because you know very simply, if you want to become a swimmer, you spend more time in the pool. If you
Yes,
want to be a cyclist, you spend more time on the cycle.
exactly,
Want to be a mountaineer, पहाड़ों में रहो, इधर शहर में रह के तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होना। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, एक्सेप्शंस आर ऑलवेज देयर, बट पहाड़ों में रह के इट जस्ट गेट्स इजियर टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द माउंटेन्स. So Ladakh has been like a home for me, a second home to me. And it's a beautiful, beautiful place. A dry place, a deserted place, but a beautiful place.
And what do your parents think about this philosophy के mountain में रहो?
नहीं नहीं, मतलब now they see, देखो, मम्मी पापा only want your well-being. आप अच्छे से पैसा कमाओ, आपका सर्वाइवल टेकन केयर ऑफ हो, एंड आप ठीक ठाक खुश हो, वो सेकेंडरी आता है अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज के टाइम में. पहले तो पैसा काम, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ठीक है, बट सो ये दो कंसर्न्स थे उनके जिनको एड्रेस करना बहुत जरूरी था. पैसा कमाना भी दुनिया में बहुत जरूरी है, और सेटिस्फाइड रहना भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया हुआ है. आई एम अ ग्रेजुएट इन एयरक्राफ्ट मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग. I never pursued that field by choice because I wanted to climb mountains. But parents का ये concern था कि how will you earn money by climbing mountains, and it's a genuine concern. So I started my own company with my friend Krishna. कंपनी का नाम डार्क ग्रीन एडवेंचर्स करके, जो आपने इंट्रो में बताया था, इट्स माय कंपनी. So in 6 months time I was able to prove to my parents कि देखो, I am earning at least enough to fend for myself. You don't have to worry about me. And as any business, if you do it right, it will grow. There's no upper limit to it. तो ये एक चीज था. दूसरा, the thing they used to worry about was safety. पहाड़ चढ़ना सेफ नहीं है, and I think that's what your question का main intent was, कि safe नहीं है. You
And
can die.
yes, and as a parent, everybody
Oh
wants their
yes. Oh
safe.
yes,
That is
absolutely.
why we look for corporate instead of letting your
Yes,
child be
yes, yes.
working.
Absolutely. And very honestly, आई थिंक ये सवाल मम्मी पापा को पूछना चाहिए मेरे. मैं अभी तो है नहीं घर पे, वो नहीं तो उनको बुलाता, दे वुड हैव बीन एबल टू आंसर इन द बेटर वे. बट एज फार एज आई कैन सी इन देम, जो कंसर्न होती है वो पूरी तरह से तो गई नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली जा नहीं सकती. अपना बेटा एवरेस्ट पे जाता है तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि लड़का जंग पे जा रहा है, पता नहीं लौटेगा कि नहीं. एंड इट्स अ फैक्ट, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट कम बैक. ये हल्के में लेने वाली बात नहीं है. मतलब जो भी है ना, पीपल गो देयर एंड they don't come back, a few people. So they can never be okay with this. But at the same time, they have seen my training, they have seen how mindful I am, how grounded I am from here. I won't take any stupid impulsive decisions, and which would put me in harm's way, which would put me in risk. So ये उतना उनको confidence है with the years of training and experience I have. So the things that can go wrong from my side, at least that won't go wrong. I can, like, I'm pretty sure about that now, because आप खुद को समझ गए हो, खुद पे, खुद के एक्शंस पे. एक्शंस मतलब बॉडी लेवल पे एक्शंस हो गए, माइंड लेवल पे एक्शंस हो गए, इमोशनल लेवल पे एक्शंस हो गए. ये सब बहुत कंट्रोल में आ गया अभी मेरे, बिकॉज बहुत काम किया मैंने खुद पे. तो थिंग्स which can go wrong from your side won't go wrong.
Right. We
बाकी
would love to actually have them on this.
या
But
वी कैन डू इट, बिकॉज उनका कहानी पूरा अलग है. बिकॉज दे वर क्लाइंबिंग अ डिफरेंट एवरेस्ट व्हेन आई वाज क्लाइंबिंग द रियल एवरेस्ट. उनका माइंड फ्रेम क्या था, उनका क्या था, इट्स अ वेरी हैट्स ऑफ टू देम दैट दे सपोर्टेड मी, एंड दे वर लाइक अ पिलर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ फॉर मी. एंड एट ईच स्टेप दे वर लाइक, wherever you need us, we are there for you. I know you will, like वो मुझे कहते हैं कि we know you will do everything in the best way possible. You will do it right. तू कुछ करने का सोच रहा है तो कुछ सोच के कर रहा होगा, because उनको उतना मुझ पे भरोसा है. So I think थोड़ा उनको डर तो रहता है every now and then. मतलब अभी ये every now and then मुझे वो कहते हैं कि वो मेरे अंकल, सॉरी, वो मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो इस कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा है, तुझे नौकरी चाहिए तो एकदम इजीली मिल जाएगा, ये यहाँ पे सरकारी नौकरी है अवेलेबल, देख देख, अप्लाई करते. वो थोड़ा कोशिश करते रहते अपनी तरीके से, बट मैं स्वीटली उनको समझाता हूँ वापस. पेरेंट्स बीइंग पेरेंट्स, दे विल ऑब्वियसली बी कंसर्न.
and we can't blame them, of
No,
course.
no, no. Because they are the only people in the world who are genuinely concerned about you, genuinely. बिकॉज ये मतलब मैं तो मानता हूँ कि जितने
Aside
भी
from your girlfriend who left you.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, सो मतलब उनका जो कंसर्न होता है उसको एड्रेस करना बहुत जरूरी होता है, आई बिलीव।
Yes, and life as you is a mountain, up and downs होते रहते हैं life में. And have you had any discouragements in your career? And how did you deal with them? How did you overcome? Because सबको एक होता है ना, lag आ जाता है. You don't want to do this anymore. You are not
जी
sure if I want to
जी
continue this.
जी।
So,
सो ये सेल्फ डाउट मेरे में एवरेस्ट की जर्नी शुरू होने के पहले जब मैं फंड रेजिंग कर रहा था तब आया था, बिकॉज आई यूज टू, एज आई मेंशन्ड, आई यूज टू गो टू दीज मीटिंग्स आफ्टर फिनिशिंग माय ट्रेनिंग रूटीन। सुबह 3:30 बजे उठ के पहाड़ों में चढ़ने, भागने, साइकिल करने जाया करता था मैं। 3-4 घंटा ये करने के बाद घर पे आके खाना बनाओ आप, एंड डब्बा पैक करके निकलो लोकल ट्रेन में धक्के खाते हुए। मुंबई का सेंट्रल लाइन, मतलब जो भी मुंबई से है उनको
my
पता होगा क्या।
God.
हाँ, तो करजत से सीएसटी जाना, मंत्रालय में जाना फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस वन इंसिडेंट रियली ब्रोक मी डाउन। मंत्रालय गया था मैं आफ्टर 6 months of going, practically every day. After 6 months, I met the sports minister, and I'm not afraid to say this online. उसने मुझे क्या कहा पता है? We don't consider mountaineering as a sport, and we don't consider you mountaineers as athletes. So stop wasting my time. Sports Minister of Maharashtra. These were his words, and I hope ये मतलब लोग सुने. I don't mind like पंगे लेना लोगों से, but ये reality थी. And at that day I came out of Mantralay completely heartbroken. Went to Marine Drive, which is 5 minutes walk from there. Sunset time था. Cried my eyes out. एंड आंसू रुक नहीं रहे थे। मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये क्या हो रहा है। मतलब मैं, मेरा एफर्ट जो करना है 110% तरीके से कर रहा हूं मैं। रोज सुबह 3:30 बजे उठना, तुम्हारा ट्रेनिंग करना, खाना पीना ठीक खाना, फंड रेजिंग करना, देन मीटिंग्स, ऐसी उल्टी सीधी मीटिंग्स के बाद शाम को जाके फिर से तुम्हारा शाम का रूटीन फॉलो करना ट्रेनिंग का। व्हाई आर नॉट पीपल बिलीविंग इन मी? आर दे सीइंग समथिंग व्हिच आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी? उनको कोई मुझ में कमी शायद दिख रही होगी जो मुझे नहीं दिख रही है। मे बी, मे बी आई एम टू इन्वॉल्व इन माई गोल, मे बी आई एम टू स्टूपिड दैट पीपल सी दैट इन मी कि ये तैयार नहीं है, ये तो बस ऐसे ही बच्चा है जिसको कोई शौक है। मे बी दे आर सीइंग दैट, आई डोंट नो। सो ये सब डाउट्स उभरे वहां से मुझ में कि एम आई रियली रेडी फॉर इट? एम लाइक एम आई ऑन द राइट पाथ? और व्हाट द हेल एम आई डूइंग? 6 महीने से धक्के खा रहा हूँ, 1 रुपया रेज नहीं किया है मैंने, क्या कर रहा हूँ मेरी लाइफ के साथ में? आया था जरूर क्वेश्चन ये। एंड कैसे नहीं आएगा? क्वेश्चन आना बहुत जरूरी है। रियलिटी चेक तभी मिलती है व्हेन यू आस्क द राइट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ knowing yourself, knowing where you stand. If you let those questions demotivate you, फिर तो तुम फंस गए। If you let that questions get some clarity for you, those answers, तो ये phase आया था। And the only thing which kept me going was, no, I know what is needed effort wise to climb Everest, and I'm doing that. आउटपुट मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है 100%, लेकिन साला इनपुट किसी और के कंट्रोल में नहीं है 1% भी। ये मतलब इतना स्ट्रांगली मेरे माइंड में एनग्रेन था ना। एंड आई वाज लाइक, जो इनपुट डालना है, जो एफर्ट्स डालने हैं, उसमें मुझे एक आदमी भी एक एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे हिला नहीं सकता उसमें। एंड just understanding this fact that output cannot be in your control always. There are a million factors which is much bigger than you. But yeah, so being in love with the process of what I was doing, being in love with getting up every day at 3:30 in the morning when the world is asleep, and there is a certain kind of energy in the atmosphere, and you take, you use that energy to elevate yourself to the next level. You go out एट घर के बाहर आप निकलो 4 साढ़े 4 बजे, जब पूरी दुनिया सो रही है, एंड यू आर हसलिंग हार्ड, you are going that extra mile for your goddamn dream that you have, and that उससे it elevates you in a certain way. जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आपका इस एवरीडे प्रोसेस से होता है, that became my goal. That started giving me the kick. And I'm like, this transformation that I'm seeing every day in me, this
That
can
is
never
what.
go away. This can never go away. एवरेस्ट तो क्लाइंब कर लूंगा one fine day. वो हो जाएगा. It is gonna be a past thing, and I don't even really bother thinking about Everest as much. But this amazing transformation on the level of my body, on the level of my mind, on the level of my emotions, and on the level of spiritual, like the spiritual dimension. This nobody can, you know, कोई मुझसे छीन नहीं सकता. एंड जितना मैं एलिवेट होऊंगा, उतना मैं मेरे आसपास के लोगों को, जो भी मुझसे कनेक्ट हो गए, 100% एलिवेट हो गए ही हो गए. आई एम श्योर जो भी ये सुन रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं उनके माइंड में एक 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 क्लैरिटी आई होगी, या पीपल कॉल इट मोटिवेशन और पॉजिटिविटी, जो भी कहना है. एंड दिस बिकेम माय गोल. दिस स्टार्टेड गिविंग मी द किक टू गेट अप एवरी डे despite all the nonsense that is happening around me, and be invested to the process. And being in love with the process is the only way to not be diverted in the process of your goal. Because goal लंबा है, मंजिल दूर है, लेकिन if you enjoy the journey, then वही आपकी मंजिल होगी. That's the way to go about a trip, and that's how I did it.
I myself like trekking a lot, but not on your
Okay,
level. I'm just like
okay.
normal trekking,
Where all have you
not the
been?
equipment type wala.
आप कहाँ कहाँ गए हो?
Not like a lot of places, but like yeah, I have trekked in and around Pune because I am from Pune, so
Oh,
I
I
have.
was there. I was there 3 days ago. Sorry, 2 days ago.
Oh
I was
really?
there in Karve Karve Nagar. I
Um,
forgot. Yeah,
Karve Nagar, Karve
yeah,
Nagar.
Karve Nagar. Right. I was there for a week or so. For yeah. Next time we
Yeah,
should definitely catch up.
sure. I would love a trek with you. But I want to ask you, as
Hmm?
a trek lover,
Hmm?
what are the, I think, five? What are the five essential things anybody should have in their trekking bag?
Bag. Oh,
Backpack.
अभी ये मुझे थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. So
Just think about
one
your
thing is,
backpack.
yeah, one
क्या
thing is
रहता है?
water. One thing is water, which you cannot forget. uh, good shoes, I would say. वो बैग पे नहीं आता, but again it is an essential part of your ये I would say a Swiss knife. It can come handy everywhere, in whatever situation or condition you are. uh, मेरे बैग में और क्या होता है, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ खाना ले जाओ. सम एंड खाना भी मैं अगर कहूँ तो मैक्सिमम लोग ट्रैक पे बिस्किट ले जाते हैं, लेज ले जाते हैं, ये सब नहीं. थोड़ा ढंग का खाना लेके जाओ विच कैन गिव यू रियल एनर्जी.
Maybe
फ्रूट हो
carrots
गया.
or cucumber.
या एग्जैक्टली लाइक नेचुरल खाना ले जाओ. एवरीबॉडी नोज व्हाट नेचुरल फूड इज, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. कितने चीज हुए?
तीन, चार,
3 4 हुए. एंड
चार, चार.
एक चीज मैं, इफ इट इज अ मल्टीपल डे ट्रैक, फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टॉयलेट पेपर. डोंट फॉरगेट इट एवर.
I thought you would say mosquito repellent because oh my god.
वो डिपेंड्स वेर यू गो, मतलब. बट हाँ, ऐसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. सनस्क्रीन हो गया, स्लीपिंग बैग हो गया, मैट हो गया. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन वेर यू गो. बट these are things you must have wherever you go, जो मैंने बताया आपको. एंड या बस बाकी ठीक 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 ठाक खाना पीना हो, शूज अच्छे हो, बैकपैक अच्छा हो, बस हो गया फिर. व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? एंड गुड कंपनी. एंड
That is important. That
या
is, I think that is the first point. Good company.
या no, the first point I would say is a good leader.
Ah, yes.
Good leader, because it's you know पहाड़ों में बहुत लोग जाते हैं, and things most of the times they go right, सही से निकल जाता है टाइम. But when things go wrong, and they can go wrong real fast, that's when a good leader comes in. That's when his experience, his presence of mind, his contacts in that area comes in. So बहुत जरूरी है a good leader.
Like हम 5 बोल के 5 के आगे चले गए. Like we don't care. Thank you for that. But um, okay. What was I saying? ठीक है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है because we are
No
in like
worries.
a talk flow.
दिल में जो आ रहा है पूछो, दिल में जो आ रहा है पूछो, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, सोचना नहीं है, दिमाग को बीच में नहीं लाना है, यहाँ से बात करनी है.
You are the podcaster, I am the interviewer. Change कर लेते हैं. I was asking you what's next. अभी Himalayas हो गया. Dark Green Adventures also is doing good. What's next?
Next, it's एक मिनट. So sorry. हाँ. What's next? So there are various things I'm trying to do. One is my goal as far as mountaineering is concerned. My personal aspirations that I have is to climb the world's 14 highest mountains. So there are 14 peaks which rises above the altitude of 8,000 meters. So Everest being the highest one of them, obviously. So 13 more to go. Oh, 13 more to go is a long way. But yeah, so that's the long-term goal. And so far, nobody has climbed all the 14 8,000 meter mountains for whatever reasons. So I'm on this mission to climb these 14 peaks. इसके अलावा the next immediate goal is a peak called Annapurna. It is the 10th highest mountain in the world. World की 10वीं सबसे ऊंची चोटी है. And it also happens to be the most difficult, the most dangerous mountain in the world to climb. Uh, 1 in 3 people never make it back from Annapurna. It is that difficult. It is that challenging. Just to give you a perspective, Everest has been climbed by around 10,000 people, if I mistake not with the numbers, in the world so far. Annapurna only by around 200 people. Like you can imagine the gap.
Why?
And no
Is it so
Indian civilian.
difficult?
Yeah, it is extremely difficult. It is extremely dangerous. दोनों दोनों अलग चीजें हैं. क्लाइंबिंग का जो टेक्निकलिटी होती है क्लाइंबिंग की, वो भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं कहूँगा चैलेंजिंग नहीं. फॉर समवन हु नोज हाउ टू क्लाइंब, फॉर देम इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बट जो डेंजर्स है वहां पे, लाइक दे आर वेरी वेरी रियल. Especially the avalanches that happens on Annapurna. So there is no safe route on Annapurna. कहीं से भी आप climb करो, there is always a risk of avalanche, and a lot of people have died in avalanches. And उसके ऊपर मौसम भी वहां पे in Annapurna Valley is a very very unpredictable system. So all these things adds up to the danger and difficulty. So I was supposed to go there in March 2020. अभी मैं जाके आ गया होता, बट पेंडेमिक ऑब्वियसली.
Yeah.
तो निकलने के आई थिंक 1-2 दिन पहले रात को मोदी जी आए 8 बजे, एंड हमको घर पे ताला लगा दिया. सो बट नहीं, बट इट वाज वेरी वेलकम स्टेप. सो
Yeah, it was
नाउ
a very good
सो
step.
सो आई एम गोना गो देयर इन मार्च 2021 नेक्स्ट ईयर. आज को लेके आई थिंक 182 डेज बाकी है. सो आई एम ट्रेनिंग रियली हार्ड एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू रेज फंड्स फॉर इट. येट आई लाइक अभी भी फंड रेजिंग इजी नहीं हुआ है उस डायरेक्शन में अभी भी. सो आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग टू रेज फंड. सो लेट्स सी इट विल हैपन. ये हो गया माउंटेनियरिंग जो मेरा पर्सनल गोल है. एंड दूसरा ये जो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट शेयरिंग what I am, just sharing what is here. And I have been doing this since I came back from Everest. People started inviting me to speak in talks and for interviews and for podcasts and और क्या होता है और जो भी होता है. So everywhere I go, and especially in the speeches that I go in front of my audience, जब मैं मेरी स्टोरी शेयर करता हूँ, जब मैं मेरी बातें करता हूँ, I can see it in their eyes that कहीं ना कहीं एक थिंकिंग में शिफ्ट आ रहा है टुवर्ड्स अ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन. कहीं ना कहीं रियल लाइफ, रियल पीपल पे बदलाव आ रहा है तुम्हारा इम्पैक्ट. एंड यू आर जस्ट ऑनेस्टली शेयरिंग योर स्टोरी. एंड इफ बीइंग ऑनेस्ट can make so much of a difference in somebody's life, then I want to continue doing this. एक example मैं आपको देता हूँ which would just give you an idea. वापी में एक स्कूल में मैं स्पीच देने गया था. वापी, it's in Gujarat.
Yes.
So yeah. So मैं speech दे के आ गया, and in my every speech I always try to emphasize on the importance of fitness, healthy lifestyle, good eating, being mindful, because like, मैं health को सिर्फ physically fit होना नहीं मानता हूँ. Unless body and mind both are in sync, you are not a fit person. If you are एकदम fit यहाँ से but यहाँ से तुम्हारी band बजी पड़ी, you're not a fit person. You need to work here also, because as body needs work, mind also needs work. Yeah. So मैं ऐसे एक speech दे के आया था. 6 महीने बाद, literally 6 months later, this young boy messaged me on Instagram, टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में, गांव का बच्चा तो बेचारा, बट उसने मुझे उसका बिफोर माई स्पीच एंड 6 months आफ्टर माई स्पीच का पिक्चर भेजा उसका. उसने मुझे कहा
Really?
उसने मुझे कहा, पार्थ भैया, आपका स्पीच सुना मैंने, तब मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मेरा पेट बहुत बड़ा है. उसने ऐसा लिखा था, एंड आई नीड टू गेट इन शेप.
Oh, so
एंड आप
cute.
मानोगे नहीं, यस एग्जैक्टली, एंड आप मानोगे नहीं, उस like he had six pack abs after 6 months. Like
Oh
he,
my God, what?
yeah,
That is
right,
so cute.
yeah,
Oh
and
my
and
God.
yeah, and that's when I realized the immensity of what I'm doing, impacting real people, impacting real young minds. And that's not a small thing to do. That's not a small responsibility. And if I am given this opportunity, I would like to do the best I can in this, थोड़ी सी लाइफ जो इस शरीर ने कैप्चर की है, उसके थ्रू अगर मैं थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिविटी स्प्रेड कर पाऊँ, तो ये मेरा दूसरा चीज है. यही बस, आई वांट टू क्लाइंब माउंटेन्स एंड स्प्रेड whatever I learn from there in the world as far as I can. So ये बस ये दो चीजें करनी है मुझे.
I don't even know कि time किधर चला गया, but we have like
Oh,
crossed our limit and it's
oh,
already time up. But
okay.
thank you so much for being with us
Most
here
welcome.
today.
Most
We
welcome.
had I am sure me and the viewers had a really good time with you, and Mitti Ke Rang wishes you that you conquer all the 14 uh, mountains and India ka naam roshan kare. Not
Thank
more
you.
more
Thank you
than
so
anything,
much.
we want our country to be there. And
Thank you so much.
Annapurna also, I hope that March brings good things for you and Annapurna is a big success.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Means a lot to me. Thank you.
Yeah. Before we sign off, tell us how can our viewers get in touch to know more about you and your work?
Yeah, so you can get in touch with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @iam.parth, PARTH. You can connect me there. You can ask any questions you have, or you can let me know how this session was. YouTube पे जाके मेरा नाम टाइप करो, पार्थ उपाध्याय. You'll get a lot of amazing videos that I've made from my treks and from my learnings. बहुत सारे videos है जो मैंने दिल से बात की है, just ऐसे ही. So you will find some amazing content there. And yeah, just get in touch with me. Whoever is listening, I would like to hear from you. And
I was actually considering to put this session's name as Dil Ki Baat because the last time we talked, you said that, and I was so touched by it. But
yeah,
then I didn't. I'm sorry
yeah,
about that.
absolutely. And I always say कि जो बात दिल से निकलती है, वही बात दिल तक पहुंच सकती है. बाकी बातें जो यहाँ से निकलती है, वो कहीं और ही निकल जाती है. So
Agreed,
दिल से
absolutely.
बात करो, एंड दिल तक जाएगी बात, एंड दिल से खुश रहो बस. और क्या ही चाहिए लाइफ में, छोटा सा हैपनिंग है. Just
Right. Thank you so much once again for being with us here today.
most
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you.
I'll end the session.
Okay.